Hello, this is Esther at Online Media Works. I'm just hopping back on to show you about segments in MailChimp after you have sent out your GDPR email. I've had lots of questions about this. So if you log into MailChimp and you go to lists, you'll be able to see on the list that you set up that you've got two segments that you've created. You've created one that says GDPR no opt-in and one that says GDPR opt-in. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see all the people that have opted in, and those are the people that you'll be able to keep in contact with via email after the 25th of May. If you see the other segment, which is GDPR no opt-in, so after the 25th of May, you won't be able to email those people unless they re-log in and sign up with you. So therefore, what you might want to do is send a duplicate campaign, but just to those people who haven't yet opted in. So we've sent one email and then we've sent a reminder. So what we might want to do then is replicate that last email that we sent. And if we edit the recipients, you can see that we can choose which list and we can choose which segment we're going to send it to. So we're going to send it to the GDPR no opt-in segment. So if we update and save that, then you'll see how many recipients have not yet subscribed to your after the 25th of May email list, and then you'll be able to send out a last reminder this week before Friday. I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with me, Esther at onlinemediaworks.co.uk. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.